Welcome back. This is Engineer Sam Wasabi. Alright, so it's a continuation of our exam preparation videos. As you can see, we're having a calculus question which is saying evaluate the integral from the upper limit minus 1 to 1 of those functions given those conditions. Okay, so now one thing you should know is this. The integral of, let's say, of a of f of x, let me put c there to be some constant that might be given, could be any number you want. This will always be 0 regardless of what you have, because just remember, when the limits are the same, it takes you to 0. But if you have something like b, then a, then some constant, then f of x, it will not really be 0, because this can be equal to, let's say, a number 4. So we can say c, then that of f of x, then 4. This just tells you to say that what you're having is 4c as your answer. Because if this function is 4 by c, you get what you need. But every time they twist it, let's say you don't have it, but they just put something like a, then b of the function f of x. If it was 4, this time it will be minus 4. Yeah, these are just some simple tricks to remember under integration. But there is a basic part of how you apply these properties. Just want you to know this. Okay, so we know that we've been given the following. We can use the properties of integration to integrate everything with respect to x. So now you're having that. So I can say the integral from minus 1 to 1 of 2 f of x dx, then again plus the integral of 1 to minus 1 of 3g of x dx. This can also be written as 2 integral of 1 to minus 1 of f of x dx plus 3 integral of 1 to minus 1 of g of x dx. Now in question, I've been told that the integral from minus 1 to 1 of f of x dx is 5. 1 to minus 1 of f of x is 5. So the opposite is just going to be a negative value. So 2 times negative 5 plus 3. Similar manner, you have 1 to minus 1, but here we're having minus 1 to 1. So we just get the same thing value that we have, which is 7, but the opposite, which would be a minus 7. So this would be like 2 by minus 5, that would be like minus 10. Then 3 times 7 is going to give you minus 21. If you compute this, your final answer will be minus 31. Hope it's clear. Yeah. Every time you're applying integration or you're solving some question, always remember that these properties you can remember. Alright, thanks for watching.